Ladies, are you ignoring in these common health problems? Do you have any questions? So let's clear them out in just 60 seconds. Question मुझे बोलना नहीं है ना? So every woman should visit her gynecologist. Like it should be a routine gynec health checkup every year, once in a year. It could be earlier as well when they have any symptom or they have any complaint, any concern. Yes, any small delay, occasional delay in your periods is usual, it happens, but if it is very frequent, if you are getting frequent irregular cycles, extremely heavy flow, or your cycles are shorter than 21 days or longer than 35 days, then definitely you should visit your gynae. So the most common symptoms of PCOS, usually what we encounter is irregular cycles, weight gain, breakouts like unwanted facial hair, acne, and there'll be male pattern hair fall, there'll be difficulty in conception, like you won't be able to conceive easily. So these are the common signs of PCOD, what we see with patients. Once you are missing your period, once your periods are delayed and you are getting any symptom of pregnancy like nausea or any breast tenderness, any kind of generalized weakness, morning sickness, definitely you should go and visit your gynecologist as early as possible. Normal white discharge before getting periods and after periods, which is non-smelly and non-itchy, is very much okay, very much normal. In between your cycle, mid-cycle, white discharge is also for like considered normal because it happens because of the ovulation. If it is itchy, smelly, you should visit your gynae for the treatment part. So yes, painful period can happen because of hormonal changes. It could be because of some pathological conditions as well, like endometriosis or fibroids. The severe pain of period should never be ignored. Your pregnancy checkup should be started as early as possible because that will help easing the pregnancy journey for the mother, for the gynae as well, to plan up how the pregnancy would go and to see for risk factors as well. PCOS is a lifestyle disorder, it's a body trait, so absolutely you can always correct it, keep it at bay by living a good, practicing a good lifestyle where regular balanced diet and physical routine is must. So closing with this all questions and answer session, so your health deserves attention and no delay at all. And for any consultations, you can always visit Atelier Clinic at Sector 67, Gurgaon. Thank you. 66. So, your healthcare always needs an attention and never a delay. For any concerns, you can always seek consultation with us at Atelier Clinic, Sector 67, Gurgaon.
influencer ban jao.
Huh?
Influencer